Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your iPhone 16 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your iPhone 16 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Pitaka MagEz Case 6 for the iPhone 16 Pro. They call it the Tactile Woven case because it is woven from aramid fiber. They sent me out 3 different colors. This is like Milky Way, Moonshine, and then Sunset. They all look great. Pitaka makes some of the minimalistic cases out there. They fit well. It almost feels like you have a skin on your phone, and it's just great to have as like an everyday case. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. What type of camera protection you get? Do you get any lip action? They're all fit. Does it add bulk? How strong is the magnet? Just the normal things you look for in a case review. In the description, look in there. I will have links to each case. If you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. Support the channel, but also support the brand. They also have the MagEz 6 Pro case too, which you can have links there. You can definitely pick up whatever case you want from their website. And they do make it for the iPhone 16 Pro Max too. But let's start off with the Moonrise case here. Or actually, let's start off with the Milky Way. Blue is my favorite color, so nice presentation that you get from them. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. Let's see. A box within the box. It says, "We care for our planet. 100% biodegradable packaging." If you care about that. You get instructions on how to go ahead and get the case ready, removal instructions. But, oh, the case feels great. It is very minimalistic. The inside of it, bam. You also get little foam stickers for better fitment. Let's put that on the side. So here's the case, very minimalistic. So you do get camera protection. You can see it there, but there's no lip protection. So please get a screen protector for your phone. Everything lines up at the bottom. You have an opening for the charging port. On this side, the power button and the camera cutout are open. So again, if you're dropping your phone a lot, don't get this case. The Vine rockers and the action button is open on that side. It fits, everything fits on the top. There's no openings on the top. And you can get to every button easily. No fit there, no problem with it. So that's a good thing too. The overall fit, it has instructions on how to remove it. So it fits really good on there. No issues there. Let's check out how strong the magnet is. Alright, so you can wireless charge, as you can see there is wireless charging, no problem. And the magnet is definitely strong. Let's see. Yeah, so the magnet is definitely strong. Is it one of the strongest? Probably not, but I mean, for me, again, I don't have heavy battery packs. I don't put this on my car at all, so for me, the magnet really works, and I like the strength of it. But I love the color on this one. Let's check out the different colors, and just to see how it looks on each phone. Man, but this Milky Way, I like that color. I don't know if I said sunrise, but this is sunset, so that is, I love that color too. So sunset, bam. Fits the same, the magnet is gonna be the same. But which one do y'all like more out of these two? But hold on, we have Moonrise. So Moonrise, oh, I like this. Oh, So Moonrise is that one there. So which one do you like? Moonrise, Milky Way, or do you like Sunset? Which one is your favorite? Y'all let me know in the comments. Again, if you want to pick these up, look in the description. I will have the links there. Again, support the channel, support the brand. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 16 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.